Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to hide an application from your home screen by iOS or iPhone. So here I only have one page of home screens here. So this is the only home screen that I have, or the only page. And whenever I slide this page into the left side, I will directly face the app library, and you can see the application that I have on my home screen is this. And we can like hide several applications so that we can make our home screen last application show up on it. So the things that you need to do is just go open the application that you want to hide. Let's say I want to hide this 3 application. So the thing that we need to do is just go click the applications that we want to hide until we have these 2 options, and then you just need to go click this remove app and go click the remove from home screen, and those application will be disappeared from your home screen, and you can do for the rest. Just click and hold, and after that go click minus button, go click remove from the home screen, and now you got all of those applications like hidden. And how to find them? You just need to visit the app library and just find here the application that you just hid before. So that's the way, guys, how to hide application from your home screen on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.